English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 25.
I've already packed my bags, so I can relax now. I've just called a cab. It should be here soon. The cab hasn't arrived yet. I hope I won't be late. The cab still hasn't arrived. Where can it be?
I've just run a marathon. She hasn't been hiking yet. I've already learned 3 languages. They've just finished canoeing down the river. He's already swum in a coral reef. Our flight to Madrid is still delayed.
Scuba diving. Hang gliding. Skydiving. Snorkeling. Go on safari. Windsurfing.
We've really done a lot when you think about it.
Absolutely. We've already been around the world.
We haven't been to every country yet.
True. We've tried a lot of things, though. Hang gliding in Switzerland, skydiving in Hawaii. What else have we done? Oh, of course, there was scuba diving in Australia.
But there's still plenty of stuff I haven't done that I want to try. I haven't tried windsurfing yet.
Well, okay. Why not? That's a good idea. It's more fun than going to the gym. We could go to the French coast and learn how to windsurf there. Since you've just learned French.
Sounds like fun. Maybe we could go surfing too. As you are already a surf lifeguard, I know I'll be safe.
Well, I haven't done a lot of surfing yet this year. Okay, let's do it.
End of Lesson 25.